guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Tarte unboxing video. It was their 18th birthday last week and they had a deal going on where they had 5 mystery full-size products for just $35, and I think the original retail value was $68. And so let's hope I got lucky because I was really looking forward to this box for the past week now, and I just got it in the mail today, so let's go ahead and get it started. So when I got this box today in the mail, it looked like the mailman wanted my products because look at this. It's like already halfway open. Okay, maybe not halfway, but let's see what's in the box, you guys. I'm so excited. You have no idea. That's what it looks like. It says, why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. And let's open this. Guys, my makeup products are not in here at all. There's nothing. It's just the little thing that I ordered, the trio, and just my samples. Tarte, do better. Guys, there's nothing in here, and I just opened the box. I literally got ripped off. Oh, I am so pissed right now. I've been waiting for this box for the past week. I'm so angry because Tarte is my favorite makeup company. Okay, I'm gonna email them right now, send them pictures because this is just terrible. I should just send them this video because I'm so mad. I'm so angry right now. If you could feel my pain. So after that whole meltdown that you just saw, I called Tarte. Here's the proof that I called Tarte. And they told me that they can't do anything about it, but that they're going to reimburse me for my money. I'm so angry, guys. Well, here's what I did get. I got the Deep Dye Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser sample. I also got the Tarte'S lip paint in Exposed, Bounce, and Goals. I love lipsticks, so I'll be using this. And then this is what I ordered to get free shipping because I was up to only $35. You needed like $5 or more to get free shipping. So I got the Tarte'S Lip Trio. It's the limited edition one. So let's open this. I'm just so angry right now. Like, I was looking forward to it for the past week, and now my whole mood is just ruined. So, this is in Bubbly. This is the, this is the lip liner. It's very pretty, actually. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's super pink. That's a cute shade. I'll use that. This is the lip paint. What color is this in? It doesn't really say what color it's in, but I'll just show you guys. Sorry. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. It is glossy. And then I don't think I'll be using this one because this is super nude, and this is better for somebody who's a fair complexion. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using that. But this is what I did get, and hopefully they reimburse me my money soon because I'm angry. And actually, like, I love Tarte. I love their Shape Tape line. I'm just super disappointed because how can you have a surprise birthday set and then all these people order it and not have enough for everybody else? I'm just really mad. But thank you guys for watching. This was such a fail video. Tarte, I'm so disappointed in you. I love your products. I love your Shape Tape line. But this just made me super angry. I was looking forward to this for like the past week, and now I don't even have what I ordered, what I really wanted. I watched some other videos. I saw that one person got a purple lip liner. Everybody's supposed to get a secret palette, and the palette was very tiny. I think with only like 6 shades or so, but you know, I was still looking forward to it because it was a tiny little palette that I can just throw in my purse and just like use it on the go. But now I can't even do that. I'm just really mad. I don't think I'll ever be ordering online from them ever again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you'll watch my next video. And I'm so sorry that this video went wrong because of Tarte. Honestly, I think that my mailman stole my makeup product because, like I said, the box was halfway already open. He probably took it for like his wife, his girlfriend, or his daughter. I hate FedEx. This is just, everything in this video is going so wrong. Alright, bye guys. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye!